Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Today I will be making Charm 19, an out-of-production Battletech Grav truck. It's actually hand painted by me. Look at that thing. It's absolutely minuscule. Yes, I used to paint extremely small, as you can see. Also have some small barbed wire sections. And that is a 250-pound bomb made of metal. Look at the size of that thing compared to my finger. It's absolutely minuscule. So, I will be making a charm with that. Also have this here. Don't know if you can see that, but there's like a tarmac type material in the bottom. So, I'll be assembling that charm there. It'll be a little sort of mini diorama in a bottle. Sort of like a ship in a bottle, except a sci-fi battle sort of thing in a bottle. So, that's my hair. I think I'll bring this a bit lower down, get a better view for you. Try and get a focus there. There we go. You can see this thing is really small, so first I'll do the filigree on the cork. It's gold bead. It'll be a bit tricky. I'll have to change the angle here. There. Whoop. Kind of expected that, moving my phone stand all over the place. That's a nice angle. That will do nicely. So there's gold bead on here. My dexterity isn't what it was, as my hand is quite messed up at the moment. Covered in burns and stuff, you can see. It's not pretty, but you know, work and stuff will do that to you. Well, hard work will anyway. So, there's the filigree. Applied to the cork. There's a Taurus bead holder, gold plated, and a gold bead and eye hook. Put that little split ring on there. Really had enough of opening split rings lately, especially with these slices upon my hand. This is a bit of reclaimed chain. I actually got it from some salvage, jewellery salvage. So go like that on that side. These split ring openers are really helpful. Don't do crap when you're making them by hand, but they are really helpful besides doing it like this. Quite a neat tool. Helps you close up the clasps nice and cleanly. See? So there's the chain with the clasp done, quite nice, shiny. Let's place them things carefully. Tiny truck first, I reckon. Got bits of barbed wire on that here also. There's that tiny ridiculous scale bomb. So I think I'm going to have to turn the jar sideways. It's also got quite a bit of detail on the bottom there, little Grav plates. It's metal, believe it or not. Zinc alloy. Painted a very long time ago by me. I need to get that the right way round. Yay. See if I can get that all the way to the bottom. But I can't. Damn it. Good thing this stuff at the bottom is actually made of, believe it or not, it's baking soda mixed with a type of paint. in order to make a sort of graphite-y, gritty surface, like you'd find on an airfield, things like that. Let's get that barbed wire in there. Nice. Tiny bomb. Well, have to go in the back, I should say. Oh, it fell. Damn it. Try and get that back out. I want that in the back of the truck because it'd look cool. Good thing about this truck being metal is it can handle a slight beating, as you can see. Barbed wire and the bomb. There's another bit of barbed wire that flew out. There we go. Yay! Got it in the back of the truck, the little bomb. That's pretty neat. So move that barbed wire around. Where's my spiky thing? I know I have a there we go, cocktail stick. Perfect for positioning. Should probably use that earlier. Doesn't matter now. All the bombs come back out. Ah, there we go. Very good. Perfect for positioning that. So, all done. Grav truck in a jar with a little airfield diorama setting. Focus on that. Cool. Kind of difficult to see due to the reflection. You can see the bomb in the back of it. Very cool. Even has a silver little windscreen on there, look. Quite neat. And for a little piece, you can see the barbed wire along the sides also. Sort of camouflage in the truck as it travels through its sci-fi domain. So, cool little unusual thing there, hope you agree. It's actually really small. Look at that, how small that actually is. And we'll take more pictures and post them on Instagram and Twitter. Hope you like this charm. We'll make lots more soon. So I'll see you then.